It doesn't look that bad, thankfully. Out of pre-check in only 12 minutes. I'm just hella tired. I want to get some sleep. Literally sat over there yesterday. That was our exact seat.
A moment to locate your nearest exits, keeping in mind that they may be behind you. In the event of an emergency evacuation, leave behind all carry-on belongings. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop from the overhead compartments throughout the cabin and inside all lavatories. Quickly pull down on a mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and adjust the fit by pulling on the elastic tabs. Make sure to adjust your mask first before assisting a child or others. Although oxygen is flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. In the event of a water evacuation, remove the life vest under the seat when instructed to do so by a crew member. Pull the red strap to open the container, remove the pouch, and pull the tab to one side to remove the vest. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, and insert the end into the buckle. Pull the strap to tighten. Once outside the aircraft, pull down sharply on the red tab on the front or blow into the red tube near your shoulder to inflate the vest. The vest is equipped with a water-activated light. The location and use of life vests for small children may be found in the safety information card. Additional life rafts are located in the overhead bins. Location and instructions for use of these additional life rafts may be found in the safety information card. Also on the safety information card, you will find instructions for use of the escape lines. Escape lines are designed to assist customers evacuating through a window exit and while on the aircraft wing during a water evacuation. They are marked in overhead bins in the mid-cabin. For everyone's safety and comfort, federal regulations require all customers to comply with the posted placards and lighted signs throughout the cabin, as well as crew member instructions. A friendly reminder that smoking is not permitted on any Frontier flight, including the use of vape pens. And federal law prohibits the tampering with, disabling, or destroying of a laboratory smoke detector. Flight attendants are now passing through the cabin to conduct our final safety checks before takeoff. Please let us know if you have any questions about the information covered in our safety briefing. Thank you again for choosing Frontier Airlines and enjoy your 3-hour and 28-minute flight. Thank you.
the main